I was spending some time over in our Cider the other day.
Our Cider? You mean Reddit?
Yeah, the Cider subreddit.
Didn't say Cider subreddit.
Anyway, there's some really nice guys over there. One particular group of guys was talking about making a pineapple cider, and that sounded delicious.
That sounds great.
So now we want to make a pineapple cider. So without further ado, we're going to dive right into it.
And this recipe is real simple. We got 5 gallons of apple juice, or they call cider.
5 cans of pineapple concentrate, 1 ounce of Fermax yeast nutrient, and we're going to pitch 3 packs of QA23.
Wait, why aren't we pitching cider yeast?
Our soft cider we normally do?
Yeah.
QA23 is famous for its tropical fruit flavors like pineapple, maybe mango a little bit. I thought that would go really well in a pineapple cider.
So it kind of complements the pineapple.
Yeah.
That sounds great.
Yeah. Aren't you curious why we're pitching 3 packs?
That is kind of excessive, isn't it?
Pineapple juice is rather acidic, and yeast can sometimes have a hard time fermenting in higher pH musts. So we're going to pitch 3 packs to give that yeast a little added boost. We're also going to add 1 tisp of potassium carbonate, which will reduce that pH just a tiny little bit and kind of buffer us from any variations in pH. And keeping everything simple, we're just going to throw everything in the ferment. And that's just about it. Now we're going to put the lid on, give it a bit of a shake to finish mixing it all up.
Hey, where's your drill?
You want to drill it?
I do.
Let's drill it.
Absolutely.
Aeration is key. Gonna go ahead and pitch our 3 packs of QA23. And there you go. Step 1 of our pineapple cider finished.
Step 1. What's next?
Secondary. We're going to do secondary with this. We're going to transfer this onto 20 pounds of frozen and thawed pineapples. After fermentation is finished, of course. So right now we're going to get a gravity reading. We're going to put that away in our closet, let it ferment, and then we'll see about part 2. What you think?
Sounds great.
Sounds wonderful. So our pineapple cider is done fermenting. It is bone dry.
0 sugar.
Now we're going to rack it in secondary. We're going to stabilize it. And after 24 to 48 hours, we're going to add 20 pounds of frozen and then thawed pineapples.
Wait, Eric, didn't you say we're supposed to primary in a bigger bucket than we secondary?
Do you even listen to me when I talk?
What?
We got to put 20 pounds of pineapples in there. We got to have room to fit it all.
Oh, okay. Wait, 20 pounds? Don't you think that's excessive? Wait. How much of my money did you spend on this?
It wasn't that much.
Well, first the 20 pounds of mangoes, then the 20 pounds of berries, then the coffee.
Hey, you volunteered to finance this operation.
Yeah, but I didn't think I was going to have to start an orchard.
But it's not that much. It's for the greater good.
Okay, let's just go to the stabilizers. If you stabilize, how are you going to carbonate in the bottles?
We're not going to bottle it. We're going to keg it and put it on tap.
But what if our audience doesn't have kegs?
Oh, I didn't think about that. And now the final part of our pineapple cider. Adding all the pineapple. Now I made a bit of a mistake. As per usual, I didn't plan this out very well. I ran out of fermenters. You almost always want to put the fruit first and then rack on top of that. Otherwise, it's going to be a lot of splashing and you're going to risk oxidation. But like I said, I ran out of fermenters and I racked it first. Now I have to add the pineapple. So we're just going to be careful.
And we're making cider while drinking cider. This is the one we made a few months back. It's cold, carbonated, and on tap.
It's very crisp and refreshing.
Delicious.
Okay, so let's get right into this. We have this handy dandy little strainer here.
Oh, is that even going to fit? Let's try it first. Oh, you know what? We should bend it and make it so it fits. Eric, no. We should bend this.
Oh yeah,
bend
of course.
How much cider have you drank?
It's my first glass.
Perfect. Look at that.
It's all going to fall off.
So bend it a little more.
I'm going to have to do this and then...
So what I was thinking, we do it like this.
Yeah, there we go. Okay.
Is that going to take forever?
Probably. Okay, you know what, let's put all these in there first.
That will help with the splash.
Then we can use this to put the other ones in. We're using 20 pounds of pineapple altogether. 10 pounds of frozen and 10 pounds of fresh. It would all be frozen, but I couldn't find 20 pounds of frozen pineapple.
You bought all of it from the store.
Okay. I'm gonna just dump them in here and just see if you can scoop them out, you know?
Hey, that's for that. These scissors?
No, I'm good. Now just remember, guys, when you do this, make sure you put the fruit first and rack your cider on top of that. Then you won't have to go through all this crazy stuff that we're doing. And we're gonna add one more can of apple juice concentrate, frozen apple juice concentrate, just to give it a little bit more sweetness.
We're gonna do that without thinking.
And there we go. We are all done. Now we're gonna put a lid back on this, install the airlock, and let it sit for about probably about a month, so the cider can absorb all those wonderful pineapple flavors. Now this won't carbonate in the bottle. You're gonna have to keg it to carbonate it, or just drink it flat. It'll be awesome either way.